Hey everyone! Using keyboard shortcuts, the right-click method, and using the ribbon menu in programs are three easiest ways to copy text, images, and files on Windows. Today I'm going to show you how to use these three ways. The first way is to use keyboard shortcuts. To copy text, simply highlight what you want to copy. Then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies the text. Then place your cursor where you want to paste it and hit Ctrl+V to paste. These keyboard shortcuts work for copying and pasting files and images too, not just text. The second way is to right-click. Highlight the text or right-click on a file or image you want to copy. Then select Copy from the menu that pops up. Then right-click where you want to paste it and select Paste. The right-click method works for copying all kinds of files, text, and images. The third way is to use the ribbon menu in programs like Word or Excel. To do this, simply highlight the text or file you want to copy, then click the Copy button on the ribbon menu. Move your cursor to where you want to paste, then click the Paste button. This ribbon menu method makes copying and pasting super easy. And that's it. Copy and paste works the same whether you're copying text, images, files, or anything else on Windows. Try out all three methods to find what works best for you. Let me know if you have any other questions.